Hey, guess what, man? Here's our 3 energetic girls at KTA. They walk every lunchtime. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka! Hey, man, here's the best salesman from Paradise Beverage. And who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, man in the pan. Hey, guess what, man? I get 2 of them in our IT department. But who's the fastest chef? Man in the pan. Big shaka to man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. I'm at a busy KTA Panko store. The meat cutters and everybody's working so hard. I am gonna make a very crispy chicken katsu. Chicken katsu I made several times, several different ways. But I found the ideal way to make chicken katsu, or you can make like tonkatsu, you can make fish katsu, and it'll come out very, 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 very crispy. All you do, you get the 1916 tempura mix. Put about 3/4 cups of tempura mix. 1916 tempura mix. Maybe half cup of water, and you mix it all up. Make it almost like a pancake batter. You get it all mixed up just like this, okay? Like a pancake batter consistency. Now, in another pan, dump in some panko mix. Get up the oil. Grab the chicken. I got the chicken just like this. Only skinless chicken thighs. Cut it a little bit smaller pieces because I am busy and I need it to be cooked really fast. On the chicken, sprinkle on some garlic powder. Sprinkle on some salt. And I sprinkle on some pepper. Okay? Mix it all up just like that. The fire is hot. Remember that tempura mix? And dump it in here, right? Dump them into the panko and fry it. Again, dump it into the tempura mix. Dump them into the panko. That's right. It's gonna make it very extra, super crispy. Okay, there you go. Man, chicken katsu, like really super crispy chicken katsu. Okay? So I'll grab the chicken katsu and I'm gonna cut it up into nice small pieces. Okay? There you go. It's so good. You don't even need chicken katsu sauce. Crispy chicken katsu. Problem is this, once you start, you cannot stop. We'll see you next week on the Man in the Pan. Aloha!